What's going on YouTube? As you can see, we got another unboxing. We got the Jordan 1 Pollen. Enough talking, we're gonna get straight into it. As you can see, size 10.5. Pollen, white black. MSRP 170. That's the box. 1985 Air Jordan 1. Okay, and as you can see, ooh-wee, guys. Okay, let's take them out the box and let's see what we're working with. Ooh, all right, as you can see, guys, we have the shoes right here. Give you guys a quick 360. Okay, starting with this shoe, as you can see, guys. Nice, very soft tumble leather, as you can see right here. Then we have the Pollen yellow. This leather's a little bit more, hard, a little bit more sturdy. Coming around to the bottom, got the white with the white stitching. More of the tumbled soft leather right here. Coming to the back, more tumbled soft leather up here. Pretty good materials, if you ask me. Nice smooth. Got the black Air Jordan right there. And as you can see, guys, came with two extra set of laces, the black and the white. It's come standard with the yellow laces in there. Which one would you guys rock? I think I would personally probably rock the black laces with it. Take the yellow laces out because too much yellow for me. But moving on to the tongue, as you can see, Nike Air. See, guys, on the inside you have the Nike Air and that Pollen yellow. Yeah, guys, let me know, did you cop this pair for resale or the rock? As you can see, coming to the bottom of this shoe, just yellow, nothing too spectacular. Just a yellow, black, and white Jordan 1. Yeah, guys, pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. But yeah, guys. Till next time.